Designing learning activities and assessments based on data. Designing effective learning activities and assessments based on data is an essential aspect of using data to inform learning design. By analyzing students' data, teachers can identify areas where students need additional support and design learning activities and assessments that help students meet those needs. In this context, teachers need to be familiar with various data analysis techniques to identify patterns and trends in data and to use that information to design effective learning experiences. Designing learning activities based on data. 1. Identifying instructions. 1. Differentiating instructions. One of the primary ways that teachers can design learning activities based on data is by differentiating instructions. By analyzing data, students' data, teachers can identify areas where students need additional support and design learning activities that meet those needs. For example, if a teacher notices that many students are struggling with a particular concept, they may need to design learning activities that focus more on that concept. 2. Personalizing learning. Teachers can also design learning activities that are personalized to meet the needs of individual students. By analyzing data from assessment and progress monitoring, teachers can identify areas where students are making progress and areas where they may need additional support. This information can be used to design learning activities that are tailored to meet the needs of individual students. 3. Providing feedback. Another way that teachers can design learning activities based on data is by providing feedback to students. By analyzing students' data, teachers can identify areas where students need additional support and provide feedback that help students improve their performance. This feedback can be provided through various means, such as written comments, verbal feedbacks, or digital tools. Designing assessments based on data. 1. Identifying learning objectives. One of the primary ways that teachers can design assessments based on data is by identifying the learning objectives. By analyzing students' data, teachers can identify areas where students need additional support and design assessments that measures progress towards those objectives. For example, if a teacher notices that many students are struggling with a particular concept, they may need to design assessments that measure student understanding of that concept. Number 2, aligning assessments with standard. Teachers can also design assessments that are aligned with academic standard. By analyzing students' data, teachers can identify areas where students need to meet specific standards and design assessments that measure progress towards those standards. This approach ensures that assessments are aligned with broader educational goals and that students are prepared for success in future academic endeavors.